In this particular question, we are presented with 3 different triangles and we have measurement of some of the sides here. So in part B, we have to write down the perimeter of triangle B in terms of x. When our question is saying in terms of, that means that this will be included in our answer. So I'm going to give them an answer, perimeter equal, and there will be letter x involved. So how do we calculate perimeter of a shape? This is as if we want to put a fence around it. So we are saying this length and this length and this length. So we are adding all 3 lengths. So that means perimeter of this triangle B will be what? 3 and 2x and 2x plus 1. So there it is, our perimeter given in terms of x. Okay, let's have a look at next part of this question. Always remember, when you have like here part B1 and B2, then usually what you do in the first part will help you to solve the second part. Okay, so let's see. The perimeter of triangle B is 24. Use this to work out the value of x. So what numerical information they give me? 24. What is that? Perimeter of the triangle. What do I know about perimeter of triangle? That's what I know. Now, what I know now that this value here, perimeter of triangle B, is what? 24. So there it is. We have a question in x. Okay, so where do we go from here? Don't forget, where are we going with our calculation? At the end of this calculation, I want to have x on one side of the equation and the number on the other side. So what are we having here? I have 2 x's. The 2 x's can become 1x, so they will be 4x. On this side, I have 24. Now I want all numbers to be together, so I move 3. I move 1 to the other side to join 24. Now, what is the rule when we move in a number from one side of the equation to the other side of the equation? They change the sign to the opposite. So plus 1 and plus 3 will become minus 1 and minus 3, and 24 is there. So I'm almost there, having x on its own. What is the last thing to get rid of here? Is that 4? Because I want x, not 4 multiplied by x. How do we eliminate multiplication? We divide, and we divide both sides of the equation. Why? Because 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 1 multiplied by x is x. And then we put all of that in our calculator, press equal, and we get our answer, and that will be 5. Now, if you are wondering and asking why I didn't add them up, yes, of course you can add them up. I'm just showing you how the numbers move around in the equation.